Code or Vim? Which code editor should you use in 2026? One is modern, visual, and beginner-friendly. The other is ultra-fast, keyboard-driven, and decades-proven. Choosing the wrong one could completely change how you code every day. First, let's talk about Visual Studio Code. It's a modern graphical code editor with built-in debugging, extensions, Git integration, and AI tools. It's easy to set up, beginner-friendly, and works across almost every programming language. Most developers can become productive with it in minutes. Now let's look at Vim. It's a terminal-based editor built around keyboard commands. It has almost no UI in the traditional sense, but is extremely fast once mastered. Developers who use Vim can navigate and edit code without touching a mouse, making it incredibly efficient for experienced users. The biggest difference is accessibility versus mastery. So which one is better? If you want a modern editor that's easy to learn and powerful from day one, VS Code is the better choice. If you want maximum speed, full control, and you're willing to invest time learning, Vim is the stronger option. VS Code versus Vim. Now you know which editor fits your workflow in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more developer tool comparisons just like this.